Hey, tech enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Welcome to AI Unleashed, the channel where we crack open the vault of the future and let the tech of tomorrow spill out into today's world. Not so long ago, our collective imagination was captivated by sci-fi wonders splashed across movie screens and inked onto the pages of novels. These were wild, far-off dreams of what could be. Yet, here we are, in an era where those dreams aren't just waking up. They're sprinting out the door, all thanks to the astonishing capabilities of artificial intelligence. The bounds of AI are as limitless as space itself, and it's already reshaping the contours of our daily lives. Think self-driving vehicles navigating bustling streets, homes that respond to your every whim, and virtual sidekicks that not only understand your words, but anticipate your needs. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. But what exactly is AI? How does it tick? And why is it causing such a stir across industries? Stay tuned, and we'll unearth the answers together. When you hear AI, what springs to mind? Perhaps you picture a chatbot, handling customer complaints, or maybe an algorithm suggesting your next binge-worthy show. But AI is more, much more. It's a complex symphony of technologies, each playing its part to emulate the intricate dance of human cognition. We're talking expert systems, natural language processing, and beyond. The question is not what AI can do, but what can't it do? Peeling back the curtain on AI, it's not all about a single eureka moment or a one-size-fits-all solution. This tech juggernaut demands a powerhouse of specialized hardware and an arsenal of diverse software. And the programming languages? It's a babel of sorts, with Python, R, Java, C++, and Julia all mingling in the AI ecosystem. These languages are unquenchable, devouring data to detect patterns, tease out correlations, and then, almost like a seasoned fortune teller, predict what's to come. You've likely encountered AI's handiwork in chatbots, eerily mirroring human behavior, in software that identifies objects in photos with uncanny accuracy, or perhaps through generative AI that spins up new texts, tunes, and images that fool even the keenest eyes. But the real marvel of AI isn't just in the execution of tasks. It's about imparting machines with the ability to learn, reason, and, most intriguingly, self-improve. And creativity? That's where AI goes from impressive to groundbreaking. It's not merely mimicking what exists. It's authoring entire universes of music, art, and ideas previously untouched by human imagination. So, yes, AI is a heavyweight champion in the tech ring, and it's only bulking up as the rounds tick by. Now, let's set the record straight. AI isn't synonymous with your digital assistants alone. We have what's termed weak AI, or ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. This is the type powering your GPS, outsmarting human Jeopardy, champions, and driving cars without a human hand at the wheel. Don't be fooled by the weak label. This AI means business, but the titans of AI are what we call strong AI. These are the machines that could make science fiction's boldest visions look quaint. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, is the concept of a machine with human-like intellect. And then there's ASI, Artificial Superintelligence, where machines could outpace human brain power in every conceivable domain. It's the stuff of dreams and nightmares. Right about now, you're likely thinking, this is all mind-blowing, but what does it mean for me? If you're enjoying this whirlwind tour of AI's landscape, why not subscribe to AI Unleashed? Hit that button and bell to stay on the leading edge of tomorrow's technology, today. But let's not just skim the surface. Understanding the nuts and bolts is crucial. For instance, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and both nestle under the broad umbrella of AI. Deep learning is the maverick here. It doesn't need meticulous human setup to process data. It dives into vast oceans of information, discovering distinguishing features autonomously. Machine learning, while slightly more hands-on, is no less revolutionary. These concepts aren't fresh off the press, they've germinated in the human psyche since antiquity. However, the march toward true AI began in earnest with the dawn of electronic computing. It's a march punctuated by milestones: the Turing test, the advent of the term artificial intelligence, the first AI program, and neural networks learning through trial and error. These breakthroughs set the stage for the seismic shift AI is primed to bring to our world. But what's a groundbreaking technology without its share of controversy and ethical conundrums. As AI strides forward, it brings a fleet of moral and philosophical questions in its wake. Who is responsible when an autonomous vehicle makes a fatal error? How do we ensure AI fairness when the data feeding its intelligence can be inherently biased? And what of privacy in an age when your devices can predict your next move before you've even considered it? These are not just theoretical musings. They are pressing issues demanding answers as AI becomes an integral part of our societal fabric. The economic landscape is also quaking under AI's mighty tremors. Industries are pivoting, jobs are transforming, and some are disappearing altogether, while entirely new careers are being born from AI's digital womb. The workforce of the future will need to ride the wave of this change or risk being swept away by its powerful currents. Yet, amidst the talk of change, one constant remains: human creativity. AI may be able to compose a symphony or paint a masterpiece, but can it understand the heart-wrenching beauty of a starry night? Or the soul-stirring vibrations of a Beethoven classic? This is the human touch, the irreplaceable spark of consciousness that AI, for all its might, cannot replicate, at least for now. And what of the future? We stand on the precipice of a new dawn, where AI could potentially elevate our species to unprecedented heights. Medical AI can already predict patient emergencies before they happen, and it's only scratching the surface. What happens when AI cracks the code of complex diseases, becoming the master diagnostician that can outpace any human doctor? Let's also consider the vast social implications. Could AI lead us to a more philosophical perspective that emphasizes equality and equal treatment across gender, religion, economic status, and political beliefs as a society, where menial tasks are delegated to tireless machines, leaving humans to pursue more creative, fulfilling endeavors? Or will it exacerbate the gap of inequality that already plagues our world? These scenarios aren't just idle speculation. They're the very real crossroads where we must carefully weigh each step. Education is another domain ripe for AI's transformative touch. Personalized learning experiences, powered by AI, could adapt to each student's unique learning style and pace, potentially unlocking potential in ways traditional education systems have failed to do. But how do we preserve the human connection that is so vital to learning and personal development? And let's not overlook the environmental angle. AI has the potential to streamline resource management, optimize energy usage, and even combat climate change by identifying and predicting environmental trends. This could be an indicator of a new era of sustainability, but only if we're wise in our deployment of these powerful tools. The governance of AI is another monumental task. It's a global challenge that requires international cooperation and the establishment of norms and regulations that transcend borders. We need a collective human effort to harness the power of AI responsibly, ensuring it serves the greater good, rather than the interests of a privileged few. In these discussions, we cannot afford to be passive observers. We, as a society, must be active participants in shaping the trajectory of AI development. Our policies, our educational systems, our economic models, all must evolve to ensure AI becomes a force for collective empowerment, not a tool for oppression or division. So where does that leave us, the everyday citizens? It leaves us with the power to influence the course of this technology, engage with it, understand it, and contribute to the dialogue about its future. The AI unleashed today is the bedrock of tomorrow's world. Let's make sure it's a world we can all thrive in. As we ponder these profound questions, remember that AI, like any tool, reflects the intentions of those who wield it. It's up to us, all of us, to guide these digital titans towards a future that echoes with the laughter of a society made better, not bitter, by the touch of artificial intelligence. And that's a wrap for this edition of AI Unleashed. Remember, this channel is your portal to the unfolding saga of AI. Subscribe, share, and let's journey together into the heart of this digital revolution. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay engaged with the future we're building, one bite at a time.